Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elle and I'm here with my friend Claire Ashley.
Hi everybody!
She actually just did this beautiful easy side twist hairstyle on me and she's just going to show you how to get it done. It's literally a 1 or 2 minute hairstyle, right?
So easy, like gets you out the door so fast, looks like a French braid, but it's not.
So yeah, let's get started.
So we're going to be doing a easy twist braid here on Elle. So it's super easy. All you need to do is start with the part. I like it on the side. I just use my finger to make it really easy here. And what's awesome about this hairstyle is that it looks like a French braid, but without any of the hard work, which is really nice. We're only going to be working with 2 strands the whole time. So what I'm going to do is grab about a medium-sized section of hair right in the front, just like this. And you're going to want to separate this into 2. So like this. And then what I'm going to do is first start with this front section and rotate it back. Now you're going to bring the back piece towards the front. So this piece is now going to add some hair to it. Still just working with 2 sections the whole time. Now take this section, rotate on top of the piece that was in the back. And now again, you're going to repeat the same pattern. You're going to add hair to this section here. So I just use my middle finger and just pick up a little bit, rotate it back. You're going to start seeing it looks like a braid here, and it's really just a twist that looks like a braid, which is really fun. You could do this on both sides of your hair, or you could just do this on one side, which I always love to do. So again, pick up hair, rotate it back. This is a great hairstyle for sports, or if you're just wanting to do something for school really quick. It takes like hardly any time in the morning. When you start getting closer to the bottom, you want to make sure you have all the hair off your neck. So this is really going to help make the braid look better towards the bottom. So I've collected all the hair at the bottom here. I'm going to twist that way a little bit. So now that we've done this really fun, easy twist, I'm going to go ahead and just separate now this into 3 pieces. We were working with 2 pieces, but now we're going to be in 3. And what I want to do now is just do a regular braid on her hair. So again, this is really easy to do on yourself. Just a 3-strand braid. So what you're doing is just taking the outside strands and going on top of the middle strand each time. So it's really cool because you kind of get this twist that flows down into a regular braid. If you have layers, that's okay. What you want to do is just tie that hair tie a little bit sooner. So I'm going to just go ahead and re-braid this little part. So the shortest piece is going to let you know where to stop. So right about here, I'm going to go ahead, get my big hair tie.
So is this a hairstyle that can be done no matter what the length of your hair is?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, if you have super short hair, obviously it's hard to do, but I would say just
extra bobby pins.
Yeah, extra bobby pins, and you want to make sure that it's nice and brushed out beforehand, and then also just pay attention to that shortest layer in the hair, so where you stop and you decide to tie it up. So that's kind of just the look right here. I like it to be a little messy, a little tousled. I think that looks really pretty. It's just a really effortless way to have a really nice twisted braid.
Cute, thank you. Alright guys, so you saw how easy it was. I'm obsessed with this hairstyle and I can't wait to do it every day. Make sure that you hop over to her channel and subscribe. Leave us a comment and let us know what you guys think about this tutorial. Also, she did this beautiful glam makeup on me, so make sure you hop over to her channel to check it out, and I will link it all in the description box below. But make sure you're subscribed, leave a comment, and all the love. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.